Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. How are you today? Today, we will listen to a simple conversation at a cafe. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand easily. Before we start, here is a question for you. What kind of coffee does David like? Listen carefully to find the answer. All right, let's begin.
Oh, I'm so tired today.
You look really tired, David. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, but I feel very tired. I really need a break.
Yeah, I understand. Me too. I've been working all day. I need a break as well.
It's been such a long day. I can't focus anymore.
Same here. Do you want to get a drink? Maybe something relaxing?
That sounds like a great idea. I think I want coffee.
Coffee sounds perfect. I want coffee too.
Let's go to a cafe nearby.
Yes, let's go right now.
Wow, this cafe is really nice.
Yes, it looks very cozy and comfortable.
I love the design. It feels warm and relaxing.
And it smells amazing in here.
Yes, I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Me too. The smell makes me feel better already.
This is a perfect place to take a break.
Let's sit here by the window.
Good idea. I like sitting near the window.
We can relax and enjoy the view outside.
Okay, let's sit down and look at the menu.
Yes, let's see what they have.
They have many drinks here.
I see coffee, tea, lattes, cappuccinos. So many choices.
Yeah, it's a little hard to choose.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has more milk, it's smoother,
Oh, okay.
and a cappuccino has more foam on top.
I see. That's interesting. I think I want an iced latte today.
That sounds good.
It's a little warm, so something cold is perfect.
Yes, that makes sense. What about you? What do you want? I want a hot coffee. I always prefer hot coffee.
Do you want milk or sugar in your coffee?
No, I don't. I like black coffee.
Really? No milk and no sugar?
Yes, just black coffee.
Wow, that's very strong.
I know, but I like the strong taste.
I prefer sweet coffee with milk.
That's okay. Everyone has different tastes.
All right, let's order now.
Okay, let's go to the counter.
Hello, can I have one iced latte, please?
And one hot black coffee, please.
Medium size, please.
Yes, medium for both.
Can I get a little sugar in the iced latte?
And no sugar, no milk in the coffee.
Anything to eat?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
Let's get something small.
One sandwich, please.
And one piece of cake.
That sounds perfect.
Here is your order.
Thank you so much.
Everything looks really good.
Yes, it looks delicious. Let me try my coffee.
Be careful, it might be hot.
Yes, it is hot, but it's really good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. It's strong and fresh, just the way I like it.
That's great. Let me try my iced latte now.
How is it?
Wow, it's cold, smooth, and a little sweet.
That sounds perfect.
Yes, it's really refreshing.
Let me try the cake.
Tell me how it is.
It's soft and very sweet.
It looks delicious.
Yes, it's really good.
Let me try the sandwich.
How is it?
It's fresh and tasty. The bread is soft.
That sounds great.
Yes, I really like it.
This cafe is really great.
Yes, everything is nice here.
The coffee is good,
The food is delicious.
and the atmosphere is very relaxing.
I feel much better now.
Me too. This break really helped me.
We should come here again.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe next week.
That sounds like a great idea.
Next time, I want to try a cappuccino.
And I want to try an espresso.
That would be fun.
Okay, we should go back to work now.
Yeah, but I don't want to leave.
Me neither. This place is too nice.
But we have work to do.
All right, let's go.
Let's come back again soon.
Yes, for sure.
Now, let's go back to our question. What kind of coffee does David like? Did you hear the answer? Backhand index pointing right, David likes black coffee. I hope this helped you improve your English listening. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.